everyone! Welcome to Storytime with me. Today, we're going on an adventure with a little firefly who wasn't quite so bright. In a hidden part of the forest lived a firefly named Flick. Unlike his friends who twinkled brightly, Flick's light was just a faint flicker, barely a glow. This made Flick very shy. Every night, his friends would gather in a big, glowing swarm, lighting up the forest, but Flick would hide under a leaf, afraid no one would notice him. The invitation. One day, a wise old owl named Hootsworth hooted, "Fireflies, gather round." The fireflies buzzed excitedly. Hootsworth announced, "The annual Firefly Festival is coming. We need the brightest lights to guide lost creatures and make..." Flick's tiny heart sank. "I'll never be bright enough," he thought sadly. Just then, a friendly firefly named Luna landed next to Flick. Luna was known for her kindness and bright glow. "Hi Flick," Luna said gently. "Are you coming to the festival?" Flick mumbled, "I don't think my light is strong enough." Luna smiled. "Everyone's light is special, Flick. What makes you unique?" Flick thought for a moment. "Well, I love to collect sparkly things," he admitted. Luna's eyes lit up. "That's perfect. The festival needs decorations. Maybe you can use your treasures." Flick spent the next few days gathering his sparkly finds. The night of the festival arrived, and the forest bustled with excitement. Flick, with his basket of treasures, felt a little nervous. But as Flick approached the clearing, he saw Luna hovering by a tree branch. She had strung up a beautiful web decorated with all of Flick's sparkly things. It glittered like a magical chandelier. Lost creatures flew towards the clearing, mesmerized by the glittering decorations. The other fireflies gathered around Flick, praising his creativity. Flick beamed. He finally understood that even a small light could make a big difference. From then on, Flick wasn't just a shy firefly. He was Flick the decorator, his light shining brightly alongside his friends, making every festival sparkle with magic. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.